Stay tuned to see some of my favorite hair products that I'm loving right now. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my Valentine's Day series. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you about a few of the products that I'm loving right now. Now, this is not an all-inclusive list. There are definitely more products I love, and the product stash that I have is massive. One day I'll show you that. But today, just gonna share a few of the products that I'm loving on right now. Stay tuned. So first up are going to be some of the shampoos that I'm loving right now. First up is the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. Next shampoo that I'm loving right now is the Teravata Organics Curl Bath Shampoo. And last but not least, Slippery When Wet Shampoo from the Main Choice. And this will be in a products empty video that's coming up soon. So stay tuned for that. Next up, we're going to get into some of the rinse out conditioners that I'm loving right now. First up is the Teravata Organics Curl Bath Conditioner. So I've already talked about the shampoo, and this is the conditioner that goes with it. These are so bomb. Next is the 4-way conditioner from the Main Choice, and this is from the Proceed with Caution line. The shampoo is also one of my favorites. And last but not least, a new product to me, but definitely made it to the favorites, and this is the Extra Healthy Conditioner from the Main Choice, and this is from the Metabolism line. I did just do a product review, which is part of my Valentine's Day series, on this entire line, so make sure you check that out. Next up, we're going to get into some of the deep conditioners, which is my favorite part of wash day. First deep conditioner is the Girl in Hair Curl Cloud Hair Mask. This mask is bomb. This is another empty and will be in my products empties video, so stay tuned for that. One of my other favorite deep conditioners is the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask from Uncle Funky's Daughter. This mask has amazing slip and it's bomb. And last but not least, my Miele Organics Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. This is definitely by far my favorite protein deep conditioner. Next up on the list is my leave-in conditioners that I'm loving right now. I'm going to be starting off with the new Tgin Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. I just used this also in a video of my Valentine's Day series, so check this video out. This leave-in conditioner is bomb. Another one of my favorite leave-in conditioners right now is another one from the Main Choice Metabolism collection, which is their newest collection. And this is the Extra Healthy Leave-In Recovery Cream leave-in conditioner. And last but not least, Miele Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. This stays in my shower. I use this faithfully. I always keep one of these on deck, so this definitely recommended. Moving right along to the stylers, I'm going to be telling you about some of the mousses that I'm loving right now. Starting off with the Tailored Beauty Flexible Curl Potion Mousse. This is a fave. The Teravata Organics Fresh Whip Styling Foam Mousse, which I'm half out of. And last but not least, the Tgin Rosewater Curl Defining Mousse. And I am probably on my last use of this. Next up for stylers are some of the creams that I'm loving right now. Starting with Nature's Little Secret Avocado Moisture Cream, which is made with avocado oil and butter. I use this as a one styler twist out, and it came out bomb. So you definitely should check this out. Another one of my favorite creams is the Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream from Uncle Funky's Daughter. And last but not least, my Camille Rose Curl Aid Moisture Butter. And all Camille Rose products are bomb, so you should definitely check these out. Next up, in a category of its own, is my favorite butter. The butter that I'm loving right now is the Biologic Apheopa Hydrate and Twist Butter. This stuff is bomb. I just did a twist and curl on stretched hair using this butter, and this is in one of the videos in my Valentine's Day series, so make sure that you check this out. And then next would be the oils that I'm loving right now, and there's two of them. One is the Miele Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, and the other is the Lavish Curls Hair Growth Oil. These are definitely the two oils that I'm loving right now. And last but not least, in the gels that I'm loving right now, first up is the Curl Slayer Curl Definer Gel from Teravata Organics. Next is a new one to me, but it has made its way up to my faves, the Miracle Repair RX Miracle Curl Styling Gel from Tgin. And another new one to me, but definitely worked its way up to my faves, is the Main Choice Metabolism Rejuvenation Solution Design Gel. So let me know in the comments below if you have seen some of your favorites or some products that you also love, or if there's some products that you think that I should check out. Also, if you would like some more information on any of the products that I've talked about today, please leave me a comment down below and I will go into further detail in another video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.